So, hindi kasya sa kotse nila. Kailangan yung kotse namin. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa IKEA. Hi mga Zubs! Magandang araw sa inyo. Good morning! So, ako ngayon ay nandito na sa labas ng gym. Bale, nagmamadali kami dahil we have a lot of things to do today. And today is Monday. And isa nga dito is sana matapos ko na yung gym bago namin gawin yung buong araw namin. So nakapag-breakfast na, kapagsalang ng labahan. And ngayon, it's gym time. Kaya halika na. Guys, alam nyo, ang daming tao sa gym katapos ko mag-gym. Parang feeling ko ako yung swerte. Wow, yabang. Tapos na ako mag-gym at eto na ang mga mag-aama ko. Yung isa kumakain ng ice cream. Uwi na tayo. Hi mga Zubs! So yan, nakaligo na ako. Galing tayo ng gym today. Bale, ngayon naman pipick upin namin yung kama na in-order ni Jaja kasi magpapalit siya ng kama. So hindi kasya sa kotse nila. Kailangan yung kotse namin. So pupunta kami ngayon sa IKEA. Whew, okay. Yun lang. Punta muna kami mga Zubs ha. Dalawang kotse kami kasi hindi rin kami kakasya. Wala nang suklay-suklay. Uwi din naman kami agad. Magdala na ako suklay sa kotse, maybe. Nasa kotse na kami, mga Zubs.
Mama show me in the vlog. Mama show me in the vlog. Hi, my Zubs.
What's your name?
Me, 3.
What's your name? 3?
Yeah.
Your name is Mimi.
Mimi, not 3.
Not 3. That's your age. 3.
Age 3.
Yes.
Mommy.
Mga Zubs, kasuklay na tayo.
Mom, it's white.
Yes, Mimi so dal-dal. No? Love it. You're like a daddy.
Busog.
Busog? Dala ko pa yung food mo dyan, babe. Hindi mo naubos eh. Dinala ko yung food mo para pakainin kita sa car. Sige mga Zubs, pakainin ko muna si Mimi. Kumakain siya ng chicken with egg and rice. Love it!
Alrighty guys, we just made it here to IKEA. So just waiting for Jaja and Naz because we need to pick up some stuff. They have a bed frame that they're picking up, so yeah, they need a big car, which is our car.
Dito na kami guys sa IKEA. Yun na yung pipick upin namin. Hoy! Hoy! Colette! Mimi! Mimi! Hi! Okay lang. Sabi ko park sa din sa bay. Ay, nasan ba siya kanina? Dito nakapark na. Wala pa na. Ah.
Hi, are you monkey?
Ay, nako. Yan yung gusto niya.
Mommy, do that.
No. Dito ka, Mimi. Mimi, dito ka. Here. Dumidikit. Baka kailangan. Hoy, hoy. Hindi. Yeah, tapos yung dalawa.
Like you plug between your chair and your seat and
That's alright. Well, I'll put it to the side. Are you going to sit in that middle?
Yeah.
Or you can go in there, car. Just put it down like this.
Ay, nako, balew. Yan. No.
Oh, Jaja sits there and reads.
alright, let's go like this.
Saan ka po?
Like Jaja.
Ito pa.
Oh, is that part of it? Is it?
Sa kotse nyo na lang yan. Sa kotse nyo na lang yan, Ja. Oh.
Just take it.
Bye-bye. You wanna push it? Lala, we gotta walk down.
Let's roll out so we can go straight to Sammi.
Let's go to Tita Sam, Mimi. Mimi. Saan ka sasakay, Laos? Kilanas? I don't have it.
What's up, guys? So it's evening now. It's pretty early. We had a pretty long day, but we started kind of late, so we didn't shoot most of the stuff that we did in the morning because I got up around, I think, 12 o'clock, and Diana got up like another hour or an hour and a half later because Mimi slept in. So yeah, she's done her gym. You saw we helped Naz and Jaja at IKEA because they just bought a bed, so they needed a big car because they cannot take it in our little car. So we helped them out, spent a little bit of time at Sammy's. Sammi made me a super strong coffee, so I'm pretty much full of energy now with that double shot soy latte. And yeah, just got here to the gym. I just wanted to say that like recently we haven't been that consistent with the gym, so a little bit disappointed in my consistency at the moment. I was doing really well until a couple of weeks ago when the school holidays started, and of course, you know, it's school holidays, so we're going to spend a lot of time with the kids and we have a lot of activities, and we've just come back from Diana's birthday, so there's been a lot going on. We had a friend come yesterday from Darwin, so yeah, we've had a lot of like eat outs and not enough gym. I had 2 days off. I got sick as well, so yeah, I'm just hoping that now, since it's the last day of the school holidays, the kids will be back tomorrow, that we can start being consistent again. Like I said, and like I have been saying for the longest time, we have this goal in mind that we want to hit, so we want to make sure we hit it. We're trying something new as well, which we'll share very soon. So yeah, just hoping that the body stays in shape and stays together. So I'm making sure that I'm working on my mobility, my stretching, and I think what I need to do better now is actually sleep better. It's probably been our biggest weakness for the past few years. So yeah, we are starting tomorrow, which will be a Tuesday. The kids are going back to school, so hopefully that Diana can start going to the gym right after school. I take the kids to the park or I take them to the mall, and then I can do my gym by 6 p.m. sana para mas maaga, kasi most times, as you see, we're always finishing things very late. So yeah, anyway, it was just a little bit of a ramble, guys. I just want to let you know where we're at with our gym. Both not as happy as we wanted to be, but you know, that's life at the end of the day. Sometimes you're fully committed, and then sometimes things get in the way or you start prioritizing other things. So you just need to know when you need to recalibrate and step back on that horse and then go all in with the gym. So yeah, excited to go hit this workout. It's a shoulder day, so let's get it. Whew. What's up, guys? So yeah, wasn't very happy with that one. It was not a very good session. I think when we were lifting the stuff earlier, I sort of got a little bit of a niggle in my shoulder. We were bringing the bed inside, and I sort of felt my shoulder go a little bit. I thought it was alright, but yeah, it was not good. I really struggled through that whole session. Even just lifting light weights, I could feel the pain. It was like 6 pounds, 7 pounds, 8 pounds, or kilos, I'm not really sure. I wasn't really looking. I was so out of it the whole session. So yeah, not a good one. Not a good one. I was trying to get a good one in because I sort of had a little bit of motivation. I had the energy, but just my shoulder couldn't push me through. So yeah, I guess sometimes you have those type of days, no? I'm hoping I'll wake up and my shoulder is alright. If it's not alright tomorrow, I don't know, might have to go get some physio done or something. Yeah, but I did my cardio anyway. So I mean, anytime you can do cardio, even if you have a shoulder injury. But yeah, like I said, hope I feel better tomorrow. I've got to go home now and eat, try and recover as best I can and stretch a little bit, and yeah, try and get a good sleep, since I got to get up at 7:20 or 7:40 I should say tomorrow.